If you're getting a Steam DirectX error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through several proven fixes that can get your game launching again. These steps are simple, safe, and work for a lot of common DirectX issues on Steam, whether the problem is missing files, driver problems, or a graphics API conflict. If this guide helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. First, let's start with the easiest fix, verifying the integrity of your game files. Open Steam, right-click the game that's giving you the DirectX error, and choose Properties. In the Properties menu, click Installed Files, then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your installation and replace any damaged or missing files automatically. This is one of the best first steps because many DirectX errors happen when a file is corrupted or didn't install properly. Next, if the error is still there, update your GPU drivers. DirectX errors are often linked to outdated graphics drivers, so go directly to the official website for your graphics card manufacturer. If you have NVIDIA, download the latest drivers from NVIDIA. If you have AMD, go to AMD. And if you're using Intel graphics, grab the newest driver from Intel. Avoid random third-party driver tools when possible, because the official driver source is always the safest option. After updating the driver, restart your computer and try the game again. Now let's move to launch options, which can make a huge difference for games that are having trouble starting with the wrong DirectX version. In Steam, right-click the game again, go to Properties, and open the General tab. Find the Launch Options box and type -DX11 if the game supports DirectX 11. If the game is built for DirectX 12 and you want to test that instead, you can try -DX12. In many cases, forcing the game to use a different DirectX version can completely bypass the crash or error you were seeing. This is especially useful for newer games that don't always behave well with DX12 on certain systems. If that still doesn't fix it, try running the game as an administrator. Sometimes Steam or the game itself needs elevated permission to access files, drivers, or system resources properly. Right-click the game's executable file or the Steam shortcut, then select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. This small step can solve permission-related startup issues that may look like a DirectX problem on the surface. Another important fix is installing the DirectX Runtime. Some games depend on older or missing DirectX DLL files that are not included by default on every system. To repair that, download and run the Microsoft DirectX Runtime web installer from Microsoft's official site. Let the installer complete, then restart your PC. This helps restore missing components that the game may need to launch correctly. And one more thing to try is forcing DirectX 11 if the game keeps failing with DirectX 12. Some newer titles can have compatibility issues with DX12, especially on older GPUs or unstable driver setups. Adding -DX11 in the launch options often forces the game into a more stable rendering mode, which can immediately resolve the error and get you back into the game faster. So to quickly recap, verify your game files, update your GPU drivers, test -DX11 or -DX12 in launch options, run the game as administrator, and install the DirectX Runtime if needed. If you follow these steps one by one, there's a very good chance you'll fix the Steam DirectX error without having to reinstall everything. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more gaming and PC fix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.